Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. This is Larry with Advanced Loan Credit Services. I am your credit expert. Hey, the first thing I want to say is I want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. Appreciate you coming to the channel, subscribing to the channel, allowing me to bring you that information that's going to make things better for you, to help you through your situations. And hey, I'm passionate about that. I'm passionate about helping people. I'm passionate about bringing y'all good information, meaning solid research information. That's important for me to give you what you need to be able to maneuver through these credit situations to make your life better. And that's exactly what I'm here for. And that is really my objective about this channel. I know I've been missing for a couple of weeks. I had a dramatic event happen in my family. People that know me understand what it was. So, I had to step away for a little bit and take some time. But I'm back. I'm focused. I'm committed, most of all. And I'm loyal to all of y'all to make sure I continue to bring in some great information. So today is really going to be a short video. Trying to go back on this Santander thing. Just people want to know, where do I get help? How do I get help? What are my avenues? I've had people call me on my phone. Believe me, appreciative that you have enough confidence in me to pick up the phone, call my number and talk to me. And people that have talked to me, hopefully I gave you some good feedback, some good information, and hopefully I satisfied your needs or what you thought you were looking for when you called me. It was important for me. If I see a number, it's not locked in my phone. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to answer it. I'm going to answer any questions for y'all because I am committed to y'all. I am sincere about what I'm doing. And I promise you that it's important for me to give you the information that you need. So quick video, a lot of comments about Santander. A lot of people are still going back and forth of what should I do? They took advantage of me. I've received phone calls from people saying, hey, they did me dirty. They've repossessed my car, or they just took my car. I tried to set up something. They're just doing me dirty. So I just wanted to make sure that I come up. I just did some research on what could be an avenue for you. What could be something that you can do, or somebody that you can reach out for to help you, because in this case, even as me as a credit repair expert, and anybody does credit repair, we can only give you certain information. But when you deal with large corporations like this, and it's just keeping it real with y'all, when you deal with corporations like this, you deal with a lot of money. Man, you got to pull them to the fire. You need to walk them into a courtroom. You need to prove your case to say, hey, you did me dirty, and resolve your situation. Just calling them, honestly, just is not going to do it. Sending them a letter, it's not going to do it. The reason why, it's just too much money involved. They've been scamming people, taking advantage of people all this time. So what should I do? I'm not a lawyer, but my whole thing on how I deal with stuff, I'm going to bring the people in that knows the laws that can to resolve my issues when I know I've been done wrong, right? Sometimes you got to push that button and make sure people do what they're supposed to do to take care of you the way they were supposed to in the beginning, not to use you as some kind of tool to further gain their wealth. It's just wrong. It's just not the right thing to do, right? So I did some research. It's down in the description. I found a website, and they dealt with a lot of Santander lawsuits, and it's called Fair Shake. Fair Shake. It's a consumer right. There are a bunch of consumer right lawyers, and they go after these big companies that have done a lot of things to different consumers. You just go on there. It's just fairshake.com is the link, right? It's fairshake.com is the link. Go to the link. They go after big companies. Main thing, you get on their page, it says big companies don't play fair. And that's what I'm talking about. They don't play fair. So check out the website. Go to the website. Put in what you said they did to you. Put in what your situation and see, do you have something legitimate? I can preach to you, You know what I mean? My daddy used to tell me, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. So all I could do is lead you there. I could lead you into what you need to do, give you some good, solid advice. I'm not a lawyer, so I can't give you any legal advice, but I can point you in the right direction. I could tell you, hey, these are the people you need to talk to. Hey, these are the people that can give you the answers that you're looking for. And that's my job. Sometimes people just don't know where to go. They don't know what to turn to. They don't know what to do. And they look for people to give them some guidance. My guidance to you is check out this company. Check them out. Send them what happened to you. They repossessed your car. They reported late payments where you were never late. That just the contract. If my advice to every single one of y'all is write to Santander and tell them you need the original contract. They have a leak. They have to send it to you. They have to send it to you, or they can't say you owe the debt or you owe that loan. So if I was you, if you don't have your loan documents, you can't find when you purchase the car, request it from them. Get that information from them with your signature on it. Get all of that. So just the more information you have, the more powerful you can become. Information is power. So, hey, I just want to say, hey, subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about bringing you good information. Subscribe, hit the bells up for notifications. All this information is in the link. Hey, I'm a credit repair expert. If you want to work on your credit, look in the link. I have a credit repair package. Credit repair package, simply. Everything is in there. The link is in there. There's a video that talks about this credit repair package. Hey, this is real research information that works with my clients. It works with my clients. Very inexpensive. It's well worth the package. And then on top of that, I created a Facebook group just for people who purchase that package. So it allows me to work with you so you can learn about how to repair your credit, at the same time repair your credit, and you have a platform to ask questions. Hey, Larry, I'm getting ready to send in this dispute letter. This is on my credit report. Am I doing this right? Is this right? I got your letter. What? Boom. I can come back and tell you exactly what to do, what to put in there. I do it for my clients that have already bought the package. Hey, I reach out. What's great, I update a letter on that package. You get the update. If I find out new information and I find out, hey, man, I found some new information now. I'm going to put together a nice little letter. I add it to the package. Boom, you get it automatically. You don't have to pay anything else for it. Nothing else. It's lifetime, because honestly, I'm here to help. I'm here to show you and help you. I'm not here to sit back and throw you something and then leave you alone. I'm here to continually to help you get to where you want to get. I promise you, I've been where you at. I preach this all the time. It's enough out here for every single one of us. But credit is the foundation. Credit is where it's at. It's changed my life in 24 months. It's amazing the things I've done in 24 months when I changed my mindset about credit and started doing all the research. In 24 months, I started doing all the research, and it took me 24 months to change a lot of different things. We just had a pool completed in our backyard. Well, they're almost complete. They need to come out here and do some more work on it. But, been able to get a pool, had a house built, started a business. Everything changed. Start investing. Another thing I'm getting ready to start doing on this channel, because credit is linked to building wealth. It is linked to building wealth. I'm going to show you how I just in the last 90 days have started investing, and where my portfolios went in 90 days. How much I've invested, who I'm investing with, and where I'm at within 90 days. So, hey, I just don't want to show you how to fix your credit. I want to show you how to fix your credit, and then how to take that credit and start building wealth. That's what we here. We're not on one-dimensional channel. We're going to cover everything, because that's what's all about, growth. It's all about growth. I'm going to talk about different financial institutions where you can build your credit that may not run an inquiry, may not even run an inquiry, but will still give you credit. So there's a lot of institutions out there. There's a lot of things going on out there. It's just giving you that information so you can apply it to your situation to improve your situation. So, hey, look, I just want to have a quick short video. somewhere where you could reach out to help you with this Santander. That's all I was want to do. I know they're dragging their feet. I'm pretty sure nobody received the letter yet for all the stuff that they were saying they was going to do. But there's a lot of states that wasn't involved. The Santander have sold cars to in those particular states, but they wasn't a part of the class action. So, hey, this is information for everyone. Hey, check out the website. Check it out. fairshake.com. It's in the description also. And then see what they could do for you. Reach out to them. Reach out to them. That's what it's all about. It's all about information, and it's all about being real and true to the situation and getting what you need, right? Because these people out here, man, I'm telling you, they'll sweep you under the rug and forget about you if you let them, right? So we're not going to do that on this channel right here. We're going to make sure we give you the right information, right? But anyway, Advanced Loan Credit Services. Hit the thumbs up, please, because it helps me push this video out and be real to more people, to be real to more people. Leave a comment. I appreciate the comments. I promise you, I try to reply to every single comment. Some of the comments people are talking among each other, and that's cool. I like that. Use the platform. Use it to get information, right? Power. I'm telling you, information is power. I promise you it's power. So continue to do what you're doing. Check out my credit repair package. It's a video also kind of explaining very inexpensive cost. The cost of it is minuscule. It's tiny versus where you at. Basically, and especially if you're getting any loans, high interest loan, it's all because of your credit. You have to fix it, man. Because if you don't fix it, man, these people going to continue to suck money out of you. All you're doing is sending these people kids to college, putting them in these big homes, driving these nice cars. And I learned and I was a part of that group. But I learned, I'm not going to be in that group no more. That's enough. Y'all done got enough. It's enough is enough. So keep it real, and I'm keeping it real with you. So, hey, I appreciate it. Please subscribe, continue, share the channel with other people, bring more people into this channel. It's all about creating. Now, the final note, I am getting ready to start a series of credit repair classes, right? Credit repair classes. So stay tuned. The first one is going to be the strategies on removing collection accounts. The next class after that is going how to remove charge-off accounts, right? So those are going to be the next two classes coming up. Stay tuned to it. A lot of information and the results to how to get it done, right? So please stay tuned. Hang out with Larry at Advanced Loan Credit Services. I'm telling you, I'm a credit expert. I'm all about research. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. Thank you for hanging out. Hey, new subscribers, that's what I'm talking about. Keep it rolling. And I appreciate all the great comments, stuff like that. And we're going to continue to grow this channel. And we're going to continue to do it. I'm going to start having some live streams. Try to find out, talk to my community, say, hey, when's the best time for me to do a live stream to get people on so they can ask questions and so I can further help you. I want to help you in every aspect that I can, every aspect that I have knowledge of. So I appreciate it. I appreciate all of that. And I appreciate you. Thank you.